best host person in the world. My name is Bob. Bob is a
Bob, we're on air.
Oh, my bad. Hello, my name is Bob Wilcox. I'm your host, and welcome to 2020. 3030. On today's episode of 3030, we will take an in-depth view behind the research study conducted by Virginia Allard and Christine Piggott. Oops, excuse me, I farted. Their topic is, do teens cross the street faster than adults? Let's take a look.
On my way home from school, I couldn't help thinking about what I could do for my statistics project. As I was walking, a great idea hit me. Why not do a project to test whether teens cross the street faster than adults? That day, I shared my idea with my friend Virginia. She loved it. She had some great ideas on how we could go about collecting our data.
Upon choosing a topic, our next task was to figure out how we were going to collect our data. We decided to take a stroll to the Flatbush and Notion intersection, which we thought would be best since it was so heavily populated. We timed 50 teens and 50 adults to see who would cross the street quicker. It was very timely because we had to wait for the lights to change with our notepads and stopwatches at the ready. Our procedure for acquiring the participants was a convenient sample to collect a diverse group for the study. Although it was tiresome, it was still a fun and interesting experience.
That's 13.2 seconds. Look at the old man in the white shirt.
That's what you call an outlier.
For approximately 2 hours, the data that Virginia had gathered, we put here in the step plot. As you see, we have the teen times over here and the adult times over here. From looking at the distribution for the teen times, you can see that it's approximately symmetrical and normal, bell curves, and it's unimodal over here. It has an outlier at 25 and a nice large gap over here. The distribution of the adult times is also approximately symmetrical. I would say that it's bimodal, and it has two outliers, one at 25 and the other at 32, and of course, two gaps over there. From looking at the distribution, I would say in order to measure the center, we should use the median because there's an outlier. So that means that the mean will be pulled downward and will not be a true representation of the data. So therefore, we'll use the median. For the teen times, the median time is 12.95. As you can see, most of the data lies over there. And for the adult times, the median time is 14.75. So as you can see, teens did cross the street faster than adults. To look at another representation of this, we drew a box plot over here, which also shows that the median time for adults, as you can see, is higher than the median times for teens. So it does take adults a little bit longer to get across the street than teens. And as you see, the two outliers that are going down over here. So this is our graphical analysis of the data, and it does show that teens do cross the street faster than adults. But to be sure, we're going to prove it to you.
As you can see, this is our inference. The null hypothesis is that mean time for adults minus mean time for teens equals 0. The alternative hypothesis is mean time for adults minus mean time for teens is greater than 0. Now, our conditions are simple random sample. Number 2, the population for teens is greater than 500. Also, the population for adults is greater than 500. And the distribution should be approximately normal. Over here, we have the test. Now, the mean time for adults is 16.05 seconds. We used, 50 adults, and standard deviation is approximately 4.44. For the teens, the mean time was 13.66 seconds. A sample of 50 teens, and standard deviation was 2.98. We used a 2-sample t-test for the difference between means, and as you can see, t turned out to be 3.16. And we concluded that since the p-value, which is 0.001, is significantly small, we reject the null hypothesis that there is no difference between the mean time for adults and the mean time for teens. Therefore, we conclude that there is a difference between the two mean times, and teens do cross the street faster than adults.
I'm Bob Wilcox. Thank you for watching 50/50. I mean 30/30. Once again, I'd like to thank Virginia Allard and Christine Piggott for taking time out of their busy schedules to come and give us a behind-the-scenes look of their project. As you can see, sorry, teens do cross the street faster than adults. From everyone here at 30/30, thank you for watching. Good night.
And cut.
Oh, thank you. Outlier. Don't be an outlier. Be like me. I'm Bob. Bob Wilcox. Break it down. Yo, my name is Bob Wilcox. If you mess with me, you won't get socks. I'm always on top. My name is Bob Wilcox. What?
The way the girl wine is like the breeze a blow, but it hot and the sunshine on me. You dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine. You dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine. You dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine. You dirty wine, my girl. Mix it up now.